Drastic economic shifts can happen with little or no warning. When one occurs, can you count on your technology to keep your business stable and streamlined? A holistic software solution tailored to your industry needs can ensure your cleaning or security company weathers the impact of an economic change. But how do you identify the right software for your business? Look for a software solution that can be accessed from anywhere at any time by all employees. For back office employees who are working remotely, it's crucial to have global access to essentials like files, company data, and workforce management tools. And for guards and cleaners on the front lines, mobile technology capabilities allow your back office to communicate with the field to share information for essential service delivery. Look for a software solution that's flexible and works for you. If your business is experiencing a period of instability, you may need to change your operating procedures, workflows, and reporting requirements. You need key functionalities that can help keep your guards and cleaners safe, properly equipped, and accountable so your customer service never falters. Look for a software solution that offers connections to keep your cleaners and guards motivated and engaged. Integrated software should act as a hub of information for everything from HR policies and operating procedures to worksite orders and special announcement updates. You should also consider the connectivity your technology has with applications to ensure a seamless flow of information. Look for a software solution that streamlines and connects all of your core business functions like financial, operations, and workforce management. Data from the field can be viewed and analyzed in real time and allows for necessary pivots and operating procedures. You need a software solution with reporting capabilities to add visibility and perspective to your operations. By using a centralized solution, your data is always at your fingertips, ready to be accessed when you need it. Look for a variety of reporting solutions that increase efficiencies and set your business up for success. Streamlined, efficient processes are essential to help your business withstand crisis. Preparing your company's technology strategy now can help you handle both business as usual and the unexpected, whenever it happens.